In this video, I'm going to be talking about sharing some insights regarding becoming a meme coin developer. Now, my channel has evolved over time, and I've slowly started to show you guys a little bit more behind the scenes. These are things that other people don't talk about. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to exactly reach your first $10,000 per month being a meme coin developer. Yes, a lot of people make videos regarding trading meme coins and maybe going after, trying to buy low and sell high. And we all know for the most part, this isn't necessarily the best way to go about things, because maybe every single time you buy, it's like the coin goes down automatically, or maybe you get rugged, or maybe you just don't have that big of a meme coin portfolio, or don't have that much money to start investing, so your gains are small and you can't make that much money. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how exactly to develop winning meme coin ideas so you can bank off fees just like I did as well. To get a free sol right now, keep a close watch on this video. I will be dropping one sol for multiple peoples in random spots throughout the video. Stay until the finish so you can grab your chance. $5.3 million. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. This is not to flex. It's just so you know I actually know what I'm talking about. Every single dollar in here came from launching meme coins, not trading, not watching charts all day, just deving. And look at these launches right here on my channel. This one made $14,000, this one $22,000, this one here almost $30,000. Bang, bro. That's what deving looks like. Now let me tell you exactly how I got here, because honestly, not long ago I had nothing. I tried everything. Different business models, none of them scaled. I kept thinking maybe I was just bad at business, and maybe I was, but nothing was clicking. Then I got rugged, bought into a coin, watched it dump to zero, and lost my money. And instead of being angry, I got curious, who's on the other side of that? Who just took my money? The dev. That flipped everything for me. And then I met someone. I was out one night, mutual friend introduced me to a guy, normal looking dude. He pulls out his phone and shows me his phantom wallet. Bro, if I told you the number in that wallet, you'd call me a liar. Thousands and millions of dollars, all from launching meme coins. I said, teach me everything, exactly how you do it. And I went and did it to a T. That was about a year ago, and I haven't looked back since. Here's the truth about trading. Every time you buy, the chart goes down, you get rugged, or your portfolio is too small to make real money. You need $50,000 just to make $5,000. Most people don't have that. Deving, you start with 0.1 sol, and instead of chasing someone else's coin, you're the one launching. You're the one people are aping into. You're the dev walking away with the bag every single time. That's why guys like Orangey, RNG, and Cupsy have completely switched to deving, because they read the game. The devs are printing money, not the traders. Every time you buy a coin, you're making the dev rich. So be the dev, let's go. By the way, I'm making this video for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, bro. Now, real quick, let's talk about Pump.Fun, because I know that's where most of you are right now. Go to Photon right now. Look at the new coins launching, hundreds, every single minute. There are bots, snipers, and copycats all racing to be first. The competition is absolutely insane. And even if your coin is good, you need to hit a $55,000 market cap just to migrate to Raydium. In that noise? Almost impossible. Plus, Pump.Fun takes your fees. They control your liquidity. You're not in control of anything. And honestly, trying to launch on Raydium the old way, you need a really, really good project. It's not as easy to make money as it once was. The cheat code closed. That's why I completely stopped using Pump.Fun and switched to LaunchMeme.fun. When you launch a coin, every single token goes straight to Raydium instantly. You skip the bonding curve completely. No $55,000 threshold, no waiting. You are in full control. You set up the liquidity pool yourself right there on LaunchMeme.fun. And when you're ready to cash out, you can easily do, okay? This is where most people lose. They just launch random coins they think are funny. But bro, that doesn't work. You have to live on Twitter. Like, actually live on it. So here comes this site X Tracker. So you guys need to be so in tune with what's trending that you can feel what's about to blow up before it does. Sports moments, political stuff, viral memes, breaking news, anything that gets people talking becomes a meme coin opportunity. And the #1 rule when it comes to creating? Speed. You have to be incredibly fast. Trends die in hours, bro, sometimes minutes. The dev who launches first wins. That's why LaunchMeme.fun is the only platform I use, because the entire process from idea to live on Raydium takes literally 30 seconds. You remove it yourself in one click. That's the game. All the top devs are gatekeeping this platform right now. They don't want you to know about it, but I'm showing you today. So here's the method I personally use, and this is probably something I shouldn't be sharing, but I want to. It's called PvP, player versus player. Here's how it works. A tweet goes viral. Let's say some meme blows up. 1,000 people see it and 10 of them think, I'm going to launch a coin around this. So there are 10 copycat coins all launched at the same time on Pump.Fun. Most of them die, but one, the one with the best name, the best ticker, the fastest launch, becomes the winner, hits $100,000 market cap, and the dev just made $1,000 in fees. That's exactly how it works, and the only way to win this consistently is speed and volume, but you don't have to find the trend from scratch every time. Go to LaunchMeme.fun and open the Copy Trending Coins tab. You'll see coins that are already going viral on Pump.Fun right now. Proven narrative, real buyers, real momentum. Find one you like, hit copy to Raydium, and boom, done. That's my personal favorite method because the idea is already proven, the coin already has buyers, and instead of them buying that version on Pump.Fun, they end up buying your version on Raydium. You can also create from scratch, go on X or TikTok, find something viral, come back to LaunchMeme.fun, invent a name, add a ticker, upload a logo, and you're live. It could be anything, but the copy to Raydium method, that's the cheat code right there. All right, let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, hit confirm on the pop-up, and you're in. Now I'm hitting refresh on the trending coins tab so we get the latest ones loading. Okay, here we go. I can see all the trending coins right here. There it is, scam video. That's the one we're copying, already getting traction on Pump.Fun. Perfect setup for us. Let me click copy to Raydium. Phantom's gonna pop up with a block warning. Yeah, ignore it, it's completely normal. This shows up on every single transaction on Launchpad. Don't freak out, just click proceed, then I understand, then confirm. Wait for it, just loading. And boom, if I jump over to SolScan right now, you can see it. Coin name is live on chain. A few seconds ago, everything's live, bro, it's real. Now we set up the pool, and this is where LaunchMeme.fun absolutely smokes everything else because it's all on one page. No redirecting to Raydium, no copy pasting addresses, no fee tier guessing. This page is really simple. Don't overcomplicate it. First thing, the amount of coins. I'm clicking 90% to put most of the supply into the pool. Now, the amount of SOL to pair. This is your first buy into your own coin. I'm putting in 0.3 SOL. And listen, you are not losing anything here. This is just the opening buy. When you cash out, this comes right back into your Phantom wallet. Click Create Pool. Phantom warning again, same drill, ignore it, and click Confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Scroll down and bang, coin name is now officially live on Raydium. Your position and P and L are right there on the same page. If you want to check your gains, just click refresh. As you can see, we're already up $161 in PNL, which means people are buying and the coin is active. Now go to any trading terminal to view your coin. I use Photon, let it load properly, and you can clearly see the volume coming in, lots of transactions happening. We just launched this coin and it is attracting buyers. $151, $85. Now, to push the coin further, we need promotion. Instead of wasting hours posting everywhere, just go to PromoteMemes.fun. This platform gives your coin instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything, just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name, I'll call this one Scam Video, select Raydium and confirm. Now click Pay and Promote. Your wallet pops up again. Same process, ignore the warning, click Confirm. And that's it, you're done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it and you'll see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and a chart link. All right, let's go check Photon and see what's happening. Oh my god, bro, are you seeing this? People are already aping in. Look at that. Someone just dropped 0.5 Sol, another 0.4 right after. The chart is moving, bro. I'd say we're sitting at around $2,000 market cap right now. Bang. So many people are buying in. Don't get worried if it dips a little at the beginning. That's completely normal. The snipers buy in fast and flip. But look, buyers are still coming in. That's a good sign. I'm going to give this coin some time to marinate. When I come back, we cash out. All right, guys, I'm back. And bang, bro, we are up to a $5,000 market cap. It's been about a few minutes, absolutely insane. I think it's time to cash out. Go back to the site and refresh the pool. As you can see, we're up around 4K, which is honestly very good. That's a huge profit. Now click the minus button, select 100%, and click remove liquidity. Wait for Phantom Wallet, ignore the warning, click confirm. If I open my Phantom Wallet right now, bang. You can see we just received $4,956, which is 58 Sol, right there in the wallet. Even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. I only invested around 1.5 Sol for the entire setup, and we just pulled 58 Sol in straight profit. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make more money than anyone in 2026. And here's the thing, this is just one launch. You rinse and repeat that method over and over again. Launch 5 to 10 coins a day. Even if only one of them hits a $50,000 market cap, you're golden. It does add up after every single launch, bro. Good luck to everyone who's gonna dev a coin. Peace out. To win free souls for your launch costs, just subscribe, like the video, and comment meme coin below. I'm helping a lot of people get a head start before they build their next coin. The winners will be announced on my Discord and Telegram, and will also join both groups. Without following, you'll not get any souls, so make sure you're following there to be eligible.